Hello everyone, a new IPO is going to hit the market. Let's look for some details. Name of the company is Flair Writing Industries Limited. Incorporated in 1976, Flair is engaged in developing and manufacturing writing instruments that are tailored to today's continuously shifting market. Flair is an ISO-certified company, adhering to global business and social norms. The company has recently ventured into manufacturing a diverse range of houseware products such as casseroles, bottles, storage containers, serving solutions, cleaning solutions, baskets, and paper bins. This expansion was made possible through one of our subsidiaries, FWEPL. IPO opens for subscription on the 22nd of November, offer will close on the 24th of November. Allotment will be on the 30th of November, listing will be on the 5th of December. Minimum investment amount required by retail investors is 14,896 rupees. Price band is 288 rupees to 304 rupees per share. Lot size is 49 shares. Total issue size is 593 crore rupees. Fresh issue is 292 crore rupees. Offer for sale is of 301 crore rupees. Key performance indicator are price to earning 24.01. Return on capital employed 31.24%. Debt to equity ratio is 0.26. Earning per share is 12 rupees and 66 paise. Return on net worth 31 rupees.17%. The company plans to use the proceeds to set up a new manufacturing facility, fund capital expenditure, and expand the distribution network. Ahead of the issue opening, the company's shares are commanding a healthy premium of 25 rupees in the unlisted market. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.